Trapcode Particular Liquid After Effects Tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing After Effects, and launching the program when it appears. Once After Effects is open, create a new workspace by selecting New Composition. After the composition is ready, go to the timeline, right-click it, choose New, and then select Solid. Set the solid color to black so the effect stands out clearly. With the solid layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Particular. Drag and drop the particular effect into the solid layer to activate the particle system. Inside the effect controls, change the emitter type to Sphere. Set the velocity to around 400, keeping in mind that a higher value will spread the particles more. Open the Emission Extras section and set the pre-run value to 100 so the animation starts fully formed. Then go to the Physics section, open the air settings, and adjust the air resistance however you prefer. Set the wind Y value to a minus number so the particles push upward, giving that liquid rise effect. After that, increase the particles per second count to make the animation fuller and smoother. Next, open the turbulence field settings. Adjust the effect position value to control how much the turbulence influences the particles. Move the emitter anchor point down below the comp so the liquid appears to flow upward into the frame. Set the turbulence field scale to 4 and increase the octave scale multiplier so the motion feels more fluid. Once that is set, go back to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Vector Blur. Drag the effect into the same solid layer. Adjust the amount slider based on how soft or stretched you want the liquid motion to look, and set the angle offset to 180 to smooth the direction of the blur. Now open Size over Life inside the particular settings and follow the curve style given in the original steps so the particles grow and fade in a natural way. Then go to the particle color settings and choose any color style you want for the liquid look. Keep adjusting the settings like velocity, turbulence, and blur until the motion looks smooth and matches the shape you want. Continue tweaking the values until the liquid effect reaches the right balance for your project.